Hey guys, so today I found Car Haven. We're right by the beach. It's lovely weather, lovely scenery around here. There's a lot of palm trees and we're right by the ocean. We got a lot of classic cars. We got a lot of brands from Chevy to Ford, all different colors, all different shapes and builds and sizes. And yeah, that was my day. I had a lot of fun and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Also, make sure to comment down below what your favorite car of the video was. And I'll see you guys in the next video.